Researchers are preparing us for a revolution that will change the world forever by looking into the future of artificial intelligence. This revolution isn't going to happen in a few decades, but in a few years, which means that the clock is ticking for now for businesses to start embracing AI. Artificial intelligence has become a part of our lives. Due to its revolutionary nature, artificial intelligence also faces numerous debates regarding potential impacts on individuals. Although it could be risky, it's also a fantastic opportunity. It is estimated that the global artificial intelligence market will reach $267 billion by 2027. People are worrying about losing their jobs as AI continues to advance, because it has revolutionized industries across all sectors. But AI has increased the number of jobs and possibilities available to individuals across all industries. Every machine needs a person to run it. Although AI has replaced certain occupations, it still creates more jobs for humans. AI can be categorized into three types. Firstly, weak AI performs specific tasks, like Apple's Siri. General AI performs tasks like a human. Super AI is more capable than a human, but both general AI and super AI are hypothetical because these technologies are not yet developed and research is going on. However, the development of such AI will take a lot of time. The development of AGI will accelerate within the following 10 years. In fact, according to researchers, there is a 25% probability that by 2023, AI will resemble humans when it comes to thinking capacity. Additionally, the current data boom, computer developments, and improvements in automated methods and machine algorithms will provide a solid foundation for platforms with human-level AI. AI has occupied crucial sectors like healthcare, cybersecurity, e-commerce, agriculture, robotics, education, the military system, finance, gaming, and many more. AI is used in healthcare to identify diseases, helping healthcare service providers and their patients make better treatment and lifestyle decisions. We can say that without AI, we couldn't have made the incredible recent advancements in fields like robotics, virtual reality, chatbots, face recognition, and autonomous vehicles. Smart robot advisors in finance, insurance, legal, media, and journalism will deliver instantaneous research or discoveries. In the upcoming years, it is anticipated that artificial intelligence and machine learning will become more prominent in the consumer market, which will immediately affect how well web development functions. Virtual assistants, or chatbots, will provide professional advice. Other advantages include strengthening governance through better decision-making processes, shortening time to market for R&D initiatives, and streamlining transportation and supply chain networks. Given all these scenarios, AI is all set to revolutionize every sector in the near future. Given that it is expected to impact 60% of firms, artificial intelligence will continue to spread deeper into a wide range of industries in the upcoming years. It is currently driving development in our smart devices, cars, and favorite apps. In the coming years, AI will invade every aspect of our life and eventually surpass human intellectual capacity. It won't be long before artificial intelligence becomes a common part of our everyday lives. As it becomes more prevalent, it will allow us to live more efficiently and improve our lives. By increasing their effectiveness, efficiency, and concentration on the primary tasks that require people's attention, AI technologies are transforming many industry sectors. Artificial intelligence will change the world for the better. Thank you for watching. And please make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss updates from Simplilearn. Happy learning!
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.